Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what the Aira Breeze Portable Air Cooler is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the official Aira Breeze website, the Aira Breeze Portable Air Cooler is a compact, evaporative cooling device designed to provide personal cooling in areas such as bedrooms, home offices, dorms, dorm rooms, and any other like small indoor spaces. The company says that it combines evaporative cooling with targeted airflow to deliver a refreshing breeze while using less energy than a traditional air conditioner. So, according to the website, the device has many features like adjustable fan speed, compact, a lightweight design, a quiet operation for use while sleeping, working, as example, relaxing. Company also says that the cooler is easy to move from room to room, and basically it operates using a simple plug and play setup. But of course, before purchasing, take a few minutes to carefully review the product specifications and make sure that it offers basically the features that you're looking for. It's always a good idea to read the product information carefully and do your own research before placing an order. According to the official instructions as well, you'll have to place the Era Breeze on a flat, stable surface near where you plan to use it. Fill the water tank while staying below the maximum fill line, and connect the power cable. Press the power button, turn the unit on, and select your preferred fan speed, and you should be able to use this very easily. And if you purchased or decide to purchase the Era Breeze portable cooler, you'll have to visit the official website, click on Shop Era Breeze, you'll have to choose which package do you want. Specifically, they do have packages. Sometimes, an example, they can tell you, do you want one, do you want two, as example from here, as you can see, and click on buy now. And here you'll have to enter your shipping information, payment details, and follow any other on-screen instructions. But before completing your purchase, carefully review the pricing, shipping information, warranty, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always recommended. So according to the official websites, the products includes only the Era Breeze, nothing else. Of course, what you are going to power it with. And of course, if you have any questions before purchasing, they do have a frequently asked questions section where you can find frequently asked questions, and also contact section if you have other informations that you want to get as an example. So as with any home appliance, make sure that you follow also the manufacturer instructions carefully and do your own research and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.